what's going on. We are doing more motors, more motors, more motors. This is like a blower out of furnace, I think, because it had quite a big squirrel cage on it. And the biggest problem is it's old enough. It has the slot of screws, so it and sometimes you can't get these guys out, so you just got to cut them off. Done that once or twice before. And these screws go all the way through, so all the way through. If you're a fastener person that likes to collect them, I don't blame you for collecting them. But what I find is I never use them. Very few times I use the screws again. So anyways, and the nut's buried on this other side, so which is a good thing, you know what I'm saying? I gotta bring a video of some sort of scrapping thing to you, since I haven't did anything in a week or so, right? In a week or so? A week or so? So I just take them like this, and then I trim the wire off. I don't think you can see this because alright. Set that aside. Beat this guy out. Try to beat it out of there. Sometimes it doesn't come out, but alright, so they got that. I put these guys aside because I gotta peel them. You gotta peel them. This is brass, so I just take this off. Sometimes it's got copper in it, but it's mainly brass. This piece here is. Just throw in my orange bucket of other bits. Bits and bits, you know what I'm saying? So then I pull this apart here. Part. What happens is you can't get hold of that guy. So if you put her in a vise like that, and then she comes apart. I dig all this junk out of here because I don't know, it bothers me that I leave that in there. It's actually not metal. It's not metal, so it shouldn't affect the price. Some guys will just dig it up, they'll just leave it in there because they know they don't deduct anything for that. But when I say I like clean garbage, I like clean garbage. That's steel bushing, and now we have clean cast. Alright, we got one half done. Same goes for the back side. So I try to put it down in here like this so it doesn't move on me when I'm doing this. Bushing out. And that time the cover come off, except for the garbage. It's a funny looking foam thing. Funny looking foam thing. You might need that for something. Not sure what. And then I just throw these clean, free from steel. Doesn't mean it's clean. All right, so where are we at now? Now we gotta cut this guy and detin it. Just open this guy up, remove the wire, because that wire always gets stuck to it. And alright, pull this wire off here, however you can, without yanking your wrist, because it tends to do that. Alright, so we put this wire in the shield wiring. This goes in tin and this goes to be cut. Alright, this is a short one for you. Took 9 minutes to get it there, but yeah, I hope you enjoy it. So make sure to subscribe there. And if we get enough subscribers, we might be able to do a live vid for you guys on this, huh? Thanks for watching.